Sophie Turner is spreading the love. In an interview with The Times, Turner opened up about her upcoming projects Joan and the Dreadful. Explaining that she would be starring alongside Game of Thrones caster Kit Harington in the latter, the actress revealed that she was the one who suggested him for the part. They were trying to find someone for that role, and I was like, you can't not have Kit, she said. It's set around the time of the Wars of the Roses, so we'll probably be floating about in robes on clifftops again. The Dark Phoenix star also opened up about being a child actress, starting God at just 15 years old. I'd say to any parent, if your child wants to get into the industry, wait until their frontal lobe has formed, which is 25, she offered her advice. I would highly discourage them from getting into it before they can fully process what that means. Turner has gone through difficult times during her career, including struggling with depression and an eating disorder and later divorcing now ex-husband Joe Jonas in 2023 after 4 years of marriage and 2 children together. Reflecting on the past, she credited her god-sister, Maisie Williams, who played Arya Stark, for helping her make it through. Without her, I don't know where I'd be, she said, joking, in a crack den somewhere. Still, Turner admitted she is hard on herself in every project that she does. In Joan, the 6-part drama series in which she plays a diamond thief called The Godmother, Turner said she was hypercritical of her performance. It's just, I could have done that better, she explained. Why does my face look like that? Why can't I do the accent? Why can't I do this? In every other project I've done, I've not been able to be glamorous and fun, Turner continued. It's such a big part of Joan, the glitz and the glamour, so we really lent in hard to the costumes, the hair, the makeup. Talking about the personal transformation she underwent while filming Joan, Turner said her character taught her more about herself and who she wanted to be. Joan changed me quite a lot, she said. From utter desperation comes so much will and ambition. The series came around at a time in my life where I had to be ambitious, and I had to have such strong will and fight against the forces. She gave me a lot of strength. She also taught me how to do a good ring swap in a handbag, she joked.